Hey, what's up, gang? This is a boy Soulful Guru. Welcome back to my channel. And if you know what to do, so today, guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to produce high quality content of a studio, like an industry level. Without further ado, let's just dive in straight to the video. First thing that you need to do, make sure your master is clean or your mixer is clean. You don't put any effects or stuff like that, right? And then now we're gonna find the plugin that we're gonna be using. For now, the plugin that's gonna be using, we're gonna be using Lizard or Lounge Lizard 5. You can use any Lounge Lizard, I think, or you can use any plugin for cuts. For now, just like it's a linear procedure, right? So I'm just gonna go to my Lounge Lizard and then open it. Okay, already I've edited it, so I'm just gonna undo the edit and keep it clean, straightforward. Know what? Yeah. So the first thing that we need to do first, guys, we need to understand the basics of what the chords. So what are basics of chords? The basics of chords, it's baseline. Baseline, you can't draw chords without a baseline, bro. You can't draw chords without having a nice baseline. So now how we're gonna be doing that? So we're gonna open the plugin that we're gonna be using to draw chords, and then we're gonna be using what key? I think it's A sharp minor here. So the bass start from A to A3 and A2. This is where you place your bass, right? Right, let's go. So as you can hear, the first key is on right. Already telling me that the chord's gonna be like feel me, right? Now we're done with the first one, we go to the second key. So now we can hear the second one go like all right. So now the chord is sitting out like so now it's up to us. We're gonna go do or doom. I think we're gonna go down, right? So we're gonna go up and up and up, right? Up and up. All right. So now we have like the basics, baseline. But then this baseline is too straight and too forward. For me, it's kind of boring. So now we need to make it a little bit interesting. So we have to take little beats. I think I'm going to take these two keys and down. Or I'm going to take this one down only. Oh, it's kind of too down. So we're going to play around. So we're going to take this one also. Alright, so now I'm happy with my chord. This is gonna be my chord. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So now we have a bass line, right? What we're gonna be doing, we're just gonna select everything here, copy, and then control up, octave high. Right, this is exactly the same thing. And then we're gonna do this step again, copy and paste. So now we have our chord like this. So now the third step, guys, this is where the magic, or this is where the most interesting parts about music production or chords comes in, right? So now we need to play music theory vibe. The music theory tells us we need to jump 2 or 3 steps in between the chords. It's either jump 2 or 3. Before you do the rearranging, don't rush the rearranging when you don't understand the basics. So now we start with the basics. The basics says we jump 2 or 3. So when I say 2 or 3, I'm talking about this. Where's my drawing pencil? As you can see here, it's 1, 2, right, 3. So we're gonna put the chord here, the first one, and then the second one is gonna be what? 1, 2. Then we're gonna put the one here. So if we started jumping 3, which means the second one gotta be 2. But if we jump 2, where we're gonna jump to 1, 2, which means the third one gotta be then 1, 2, 3. You see the opposite. So if we jump 2, you're gonna jump 2 and then jump 3. If you jump 3, you're gonna jump 3 and jump 2. Alright, let's just go straight to what I'm talking about and show you what I'm saying, what I mean. Alright, so we have this one right now. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 1, 3. You see? And then the same thing. 1, 2, 1, 3. But then I don't want my key to jump the A sharp minor 5. Right. So I'm gonna remove all these because I don't want my key to be like do for me. Unless like I convert them to another keys, but I don't want to do that right now. Still beginners, no. So yeah, let's go like that. So I want all my keys to be here or here, at least here. So we have this one, right? I'm gonna use there. I'm gonna leave this one here. I'm gonna take this one. Jump 2 or 3, right? 2 or 3. We have a chord here, and then I'm gonna come here also. Jump 2 or 3, as you can see. Right. I'm gonna come here also. Jump 2 or 3, just something like that. Okay, let me see if I put this one here. Okay, it's eyes. For now, this is a basic chord, right? I'm gonna go back to the bass. This is the bass. First bass, we don't touch it. We go to the second bass. This one is the same thing as this one, right? So here, the second bass, we jump 2 or 3 again. 2 or 3. Just go like that. 2 or 3. Now we're making our chord to sound what? Matured and balanced and straight like. And we have a chord like this right now. Let's play it. Okay, here we haven't done anything, so we have to jump 2 or 3 also here. And then we're gonna have something. Okay, we can remove this one, maybe. Alright, so now we have a nice chord progression. But then there's this thing called extra keys, and then the extra keys are the one that belongs here. As you can see here, we have an extra key here. We can take it out like, or we can put it here. So as you can hear, with an extra key, we have this Amapiano vibe, right? So, but right, do we have an extra key here? We have a lot of them, even this one here. We have an extra key here or here. We can use this one. Put it there. Now we have an extra key also here. So we can put it down or up. Now we have a nice chord, bro. What's gonna do now, or what's gonna be doing here? We're gonna control Alt X, just to increase the volume a little bit. Then Alt R. Alright, so now I'm happy with my chord, but then the chord doesn't sound like an industry level chord. What we need to do now, we need to blend the beats, blend the plugins, and then blend the sounds. Remember, we're not using really pianos and really organs and stuff like that. So we're using machine. And in order to convert your machine to sound real, we need to blend them sound together, because them sounds like they sound 90%, 98%, other 50%. So now if you can take the 50% and the 50% and 90%, put them all together, you're gonna have 1,000%, and then you're gonna have a real sound. Only using machines. You don't need real instruments sometimes. All right, so what I'm talking about, this is what I'm talking about. Yeah guys, so that's how I make quality chords in FL Studio. Without further ado, thank you for watching. If you did enjoy the video, you know what to do. By the way, this is a bye. See you in the next video, and don't forget, drop the comment, tell me what you want to learn next. And guys, yeah, I'm gonna be trying to drop some what do we call this, sample packs, if I do get time, because I don't have much time even now, just like cut off my schedule a little bit, So yeah guys, thank you for watching, and this is your boy Soulful Guru, and I'm out.